Hey, my youth, you know what I watch?
Yes, me there again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright, is it? Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about. First things first, I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I think that some of you might have seen this video before. Now, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things inside of a barrel, and you can also hear a person talking in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, even though I am not able to confirm if everything that the person said in the video are accurate, by watching and looking at the video, I feel a certain type of way. And I don't want to be the one to explain certain things when it comes down to this video, so I'm going to present the video to you, look at it and listen to it for yourself and tell me what you think about this video. Observe.
TikTok people no run come here. This one crowd. Imagine my sister send this bar from Canada. Nobody never beg her or nothing. And a matter of fact, I'm not beg. I'm very independent. I'm gonna say none of my siblings them out here are wear them shit. The way they something them all and the real and mash up and pop up. By the time them going to the ship and rock 2 times, them start to dismantle, everything start pop up. You know, so the way me start going bad, and my sister call her same time she have to send back my money we clear the barrel here. You know, so foreign people are run with people, but never big or nothing. Now she claims so she have some stuff up there that you can send down to her sibling them. And we must share it up. Share up what? Why she and her mama never keep it up there? Me not beg people because I'm independent. And my sister work hard. Nobody, none of we never want none of this because we never beg her or nothing. Disrespectful. When them take Jamaican people for them take off eat that people not help me make this go viral. Please and thanks.
Yeah, you see.
Because this one crowd don't run come quick. Come this one crowd don't come over here so. Come over here and repost this like no. Please and thanks.
My people, you know what? Me really and truly have to wonder if someone or people that really and truly send them the kind of sitting there from all the way overseas to anybody at Jamaica. Me I wonder. Me have to think. Me have to wonder if somebody really do something like that, my people. Now, I question that video. I question the whole thing about the video because a modern time now. A modern time now, people. So me I say, long gone are the days when time people send whole bruk to people a country and them sitting there. So me I say right about now Jamaica move like one big city in my point of view. As I say Jamaica move. Once upon a time it take it when they reach certain place in Jamaica and 6 o'clock catch you can't get no bus no vehicle for going nowhere. Nowadays every country you can catch a bus or a taxi or something when you touch 6 o'clock. I'm modern time now. So when me see all a video like this though, me start to say to myself about this look away. You see me I say? So I really question the video and I really wonder if somebody or people that really and truly in their right mind send them they sitting there all the way from somewhere overseas to the country of Jamaica to someone. Would I like to know? You see me? Would I like to know what you think about that video that I just presented to you people? You see? Tell me what you think. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that those news articles said that a Brazilian mother died on a New Year's Eve celebration when firework exploded. According to those news articles, it is said that firework stuck in the female's clothes and exploded, causing her death, viewers and subscribers. To my knowledge, there's at least one video circulating on social media about this whole situation. At least one of those news articles said that the female's children was at the location. At least one of those news articles said that the female died in front of her children. So I'm not sure which one of those information are accurate. Now, those news articles mentioned the female's name, the female's age, say most of them say in the 30s, late 30s, viewers and subscribers, and a location and they mentioned viewers and subscribers. Now, even though I'm going by words that I read from news articles, viewers and subscribers, I just want to point out to each and every one that when it comes on to fireworks or clappers or whatsoever some people might call it, and something to play with, those things can be very, very dangerous. I'm going to recommend no children, no minor to have any possession of those kind of things. You understand? Yeah, me see a lot of reckless acts when it comes down to those things. I mean, I recommend them things there. You see me myself, I tell you the truth, my people. Me never like go around and see them kind of things there sometimes. I better you left them things the professionals. You see? Alright, so this is really and truly a sad topic. I just give you information, I call it how I get them, and I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female, and quite a number of videos have been posted on social media claiming that the female is a musician who goes by the name of Popcaan, ex-girlfriend, and that she talked about Popcaan. Now, in this video that I am about to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she accused someone of being a stalker. And I also got the understanding that this video is a piece of an entire video. Now, in this video that I'm about to present to you, the female did not exactly say that a person who goes by a certain name is a stalker. So that's why I'm asking you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to the words that the female used in this video and tell me, who do you think the female was accusing of being a stalker? You can leave your comment or comments in the comment section of this video, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that I can hear quite a number of harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
That I refuse to have any kind of socializing with or anything at all. And when I would tell me, say the man I mad me, who so like them I mad me or him, eh? You're supposed to say thank you and thank you too. What kind of weird entitlement is that in the big Christmas, you know? And now tell me, say me mad, me look like mad somebody? Somebody could I really make my it hard. I really make me waste my time, waste my gas, drive from up at the hills, come down a flat, and me really, hello? No, my love, no, don't do that. Don't do that.
Thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you.
They're supposed to say thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you.
Listen.
As a matter of fact, I don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't borrowed from the yourself.
The like who do you think it is?
I'm the 876 guy. You should do your research.
The like who do you think it is?
I'm the 876 guy. You should do your research. It wasn't borrowed from the yourself.
Like who do you think it is?
I'm the 876 guy. You should do your research.
I gotta repeat this.
I bought those credit, you know. It wasn't.
Oh matter of fact, I don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit.
I don't even know why I even texting my phone.
Because of that credit. I bought those you.
I don't have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I can record him because I know he's a stalker and I wanted to record him because I want him to leave alone. That is it. I never did plan for come. And what I see one time I sit down and look for how the man treat me and the things that the man do to me. I say, you know, so the man you're not gonna stop? Yeah. Yes. You not come tell me say man not stop me. What you mean you buy credit for your phone? Me you're not friend, me you not chat, you disrespect me. You bring me down, leave me alone. Leave me alone, let me have peace in my life. And that's right there. You not come talk about see all my cookie are burn up here. Lord Jesus Christ, my cookie are burn up. Jaja, oh God, Jaja, oh God. Oh God. Me bomb. You who like cookie burn up here. Come and tell me a liar. Tell you man a stalker. This not sound like stalker to no food don't stalker this. It burn up but me still a yummy. Cookie I get yam tonight. Like the other dirty cookie, you know, not zinc fence cookie. These are the only cookie where me want yam. Cookie, me love you. Me and yam you tonight. Me mad because of Tony, but he might call down my phone and he might text down my phone when time he's with Tony. I will look like idiot. I never text him. I block him. Block him. How many times I'm Tony there? I'm not give him. Girl go see mother move from this so. I'm very ask for me so. No bet no favorite is a stalker. I can't wait till somebody make one song and done him about it. Never called nobody name. I only come on the page that come talk about woman cause one thing about Jamaican woman, you never always bad mind woman over man. I'm not say kill girl over man. Or be a girl over man. Bad mind woman over man. Me and is not the same thing cause me I look good girl and I can't any man when I want. That me I tell you.
To you.
I don't have.
You're supposed to say thank you and same to you.
I don't have to say thank you. As a matter of fact, I don't even know where even texting my phone.
Because of that credit.
I don't even know where even texting my phone.
I'm obsessed. Yeah, I'm obsessed.
Because of that credit.
Alright, my people, now I got the understanding that this video is a piece of a video from a live recording that had been done on social media. Now, I was not watching that live recording, so therefore, I am not able to say if the female called a specific name of who she was accusing of being a stalker. See? Some of us go by words that the female said in that piece of video that I presented to you. And I'm not going to jump to no conclusion. So that's why I'm asking you, my viewers and subscribers, who do you think the female was accusing of being a stalker? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video. Yeah? Anyways, yeah, so I left it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.